As a QuickBooks Online user, you have a lot of information about your customers and their purchases. And as a Mailchimp user, you want to send the right marketing campaigns to the right audiences to help keep them engaged with your brand and increase sales. Hi, I'm Dimitri, and I'll show you how to use the information you already have in QuickBooks to create and send targeted emails to certain customers using Mailchimp. In Mailchimp, we define segmentation as a way to filter contacts based on the information that's available in your audience. So why should you segment your campaigns with Mailchimp? It's simple. On average, segmented email marketing campaigns result in 23% higher open rates and 49% higher click-through rates than unsegmented campaigns. It's a great way to make your marketing efforts more effective with less work. For example, let's say you run a lawn care business. You may want to only reach out to specific customers in your audience who've recently used your services and send them a survey to get feedback on how they like your business. You can do this in your account by creating a segment to reach these customers. Now, before we dive in, it's important to know that depending on your plan, you may have limited access to Mailchimp's audience segmentation tools. Be sure to check out our pricing page for more information. To use a suggested segment in the QuickBooks Audience dashboard, you'll need a paid Mailchimp marketing plan, an audience in Mailchimp, and, of course, a connected QuickBooks account. Once you've connected your account to Mailchimp, QuickBooks data about your customers, including their invoices and receipts, will automatically be imported to your Mailchimp audience. As a result, you can instantly begin sending tailored marketing campaigns based on the demographics of your customers, their interactions with your company, and the amount of money they have spent there. You'll notice that a QuickBooks Audience dashboard will appear in your Mailchimp account after your accounts have been connected. This dashboard allows you to easily create an automation or send a multi-channel campaign to customers who were tagged QuickBooks customers when they were imported into Mailchimp. We'll talk more about automation options in a separate video. Today, I'm going to send a coupon to customers who've spent more than $200 for plant care services with my company, The Potted Planter, as a thank you for their purchase. We're going to use segmentation to do this. To get to the QuickBooks Audience dashboard in Mailchimp, I'll first click the Audience menu and then click Audience Dashboard. This will take me right to my QuickBooks Audience dashboard, where I can see suggested automations, such as create repeat customers. I can also see suggested segments to send to, such as my top customers who've spent a certain amount for my services. If needed, you can click Customize to make updates to your suggested segments. I'll leave the spend amount at $200, so I'll scroll to that section and click Target with Campaign. In the pop-up modal, I can choose to view contacts who are part of this segment, or select the type of marketing campaign I would like to send to these customers. I'll choose Create an Email to open the email builder. In the To section, I see that Mailchimp has automatically created a custom segment for my QuickBooks customers who've spent over $200. If I want to customize this segment further, I can click Edit Recipients to add more conditions or rules that determine what criteria filters contacts into a segment. For more information on how to create a segment in Mailchimp, check out our Help Center. For now, I'll further customize this email by updating the subject line. Then I'll click Design Email to create an email campaign that aligns with my brand. There's so much that you can do to give your email the right look that fits your brand and marketing goals. Our Mailchimp guides and tutorials are full of information on how to edit and design an email in Mailchimp. When my email looks the way I want it to, I'll click Continue to go back to the email builder. From here, I can choose to send the campaign now or schedule the campaign to send later. And that's it. You can now use your QuickBooks customer data to segment and send targeted marketing campaigns using the QuickBooks Audience dashboard. To see what else you can do with Mailchimp and QuickBooks, check out our Help Center.